Hi, my name's Simon. I work for Keno Energy Limited, and we are, as well as being one of the largest distributors for solar and renewable products in Europe, we are also manufacturers of our mounting systems for solar panels. And today I'm going to run you through how to install on a clay rosemary tiled roof using our mounting systems. So as you can see, we've already got some of the hooks in place, and to do that it's pretty simple. You start by moving the tiles until you find your rafter. Which is here. Take the steel hook. There's many options of where to fit the screws, so you can line it up nicely with the other hooks that we already have installed, and using a specified screw. You can't use any wood screws. It has to be only products that are authorised by the manufacturer, and we produce these screws as well ourselves. Need to drill a pilot hole in the rafter, and then I'm just going to screw the screw in like that using my torque gun. You do need to use two screws, but for the sake of the presentation I'm just going to show you the one. The tiles get replaced like this. You want to get them all nice and neat, just like they were before. And because of the thinness of this special steel hook, there's no gaps underneath for water to ingress into the roof and give you leaks. And then you take your rail. So this is a mountain rail, or profile as they're known. And we have, quite simple, special T-bolt with an M10 nut to clamp the profile to the hook. These get fed up through the slot in the bottom, slots into the underneath of the profile, and just twist to lock in place. Obviously, if you're doing this for real, you're going to use a spanner and tighten it up, but for the sake of this demonstration, I'm just doing it using my hands. Yeah. So once you've got your rail installed, we take this special nut, which is so shaped it will just clip into the recess on the rail. And this is your clamp. This is what clamps a solar panel onto the roof. So you've got your clamp, and you've got just a normal hex bolt. So screw that in slightly. Just enough to hold it in place. Out of the way. You take your panel, place it on the rails. Now, because of the rig that we're using, these rails are actually a bit closer than you'd prefer them to be. They should be spaced a third of the way up the panel, third from the top, third from the bottom, and it's that simple. You clip it in place. You're probably best off using a torque gun, but I don't have the correct bit. Do up all four clips, and that's it. That's how you install a panel.